Welcome to our latest Board of Ed budget workshop recap. So our last meeting, what we discussed was the superintendent's 2025-2026 budget and the capital requests. So let's start with what was asked, right? Well, let's start there. And today,
Okay.
right, by the way, I am with Marjorie Bonadies, I'm Kim Dawson, and we have been meaning to get this together and finally had a moment, so we're going to do a quick recap. But of course, you can't see the entire thing on 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐞𝐧𝐭 TV, and go into YouTube. You'll see everything there. So hello.
Okay, hello. Just so we have a starting point, the current budget is $33,901,000 and change. This is the budget we are operating under now. It will be complete on June 30th. So the new budget year starts July 1st. And the superintendent did ask for an 8.07% increase. And that was $36,620,000, which is a $2.7 million increase. The Board of Ed at our last budget workshop voted for a lesser amount. We voted for a 6.16% increase, which is a $2,088,000 increase. It's significant, and we just want to just go over some of the, what's going to happen next, and how you can have a say in
about a 2% difference, right?
Yes, just about the Board of Ed cut 1.91% from the superintendent's request.
Right. So now let's talk about, so that's what we went with. Let's talk about a couple next steps, because we don't know what those cuts are going to be just yet, right?
No.
Let's talk about a couple next steps so people know how they could tune in and how, if they want to get involved, how they can get involved and when they can get involved.
The next steps for us as the board, we are going to put together a presentation for the town council, and that will take place
March 25th, right? At the town hall at 6:30.
Correct. That will be given directly to the town council. On Tuesday, April 1st, we will have a public hearing at the North Branford High School cafeteria, and that's also at 6:30. And at that time, we will both receive public input. The council and Board of Ed will receive public input about the budget.
We encourage people to show up there.
Yes. And then the final date where the council will finalize the entire town budget, including Board of Ed, will be Tuesday, April 22nd at 6:30 in Council Chambers Town Hall.
Right. And now April 10th, we have a budget workshop, or the town council has a budget workshop, right?
Correct.
And so town council has two budget workshops, I believe. One is the 8th and one is the 10th. But the 10th is for us, for the Board of Ed.
Well, there may be other departments that day, I think, right, but that's the day that we will be answering questions and helping them to decide the final amount they're going to give the Board of Ed to run the district for the 25-26 school year.
And we'll get that number on April 22nd.
Yes,
right?
Yes. A lot of dates to remember.
We have a lot of dates to remember, but they will be in this video, so you could save it and refer to it at any time. And it's also posted on the Board of Ed. Actually, the Board of Ed has, as far as anything referring to the Board of Ed, we have it on our calendar, but the town has on their calendar meetings as well.
Yeah.
So there are places you can see them.
Yes, we are very committed to being transparent and to giving as much information as we can to help parents, taxpayers understand the process and to make sure they get their voices heard as well.
We feel that it's extremely important. So
yeah.
The more you get involved, the more you know, the more you can voice your opinion, right? So is there anything else that you feel that should be added to this little update?
Well, the increase that was asked for, it's very, very clear. There's about 75% of this increase goes to salaries, benefits, which healthcare costs have gone up quite a bit, and about 24.9% for curriculum updates, security, and school supplies, I'm going to say, as a general topic. But, it's a very small amount that is negotiable. The 75% are fixed costs. So I just think that's important for everyone to realize as we go into this, budgeting season.
Good point. So our next one, again, is at the town hall where we do our presentation, March 25th at 6:30 p.m.
And public input is the April 1st date. That's when we'll be just there to receive public input.
So we hope to see you there, and we'll take care. All right.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.